Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription box. And I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. The code is AGERM35. I'm going to put a link for the subscription box and the coupon code down there below in the description bar, alright? So let's go ahead and check the theme out. It is called Ancient Treasure, and I'm really digging this heart right there. It's a pendant. It's brass looking, it's pretty. And it looks like we might have barrel shaped or rectangle, not rectangle, square right there. I can't really tell until I dive into the beads, but it looks like there's some new interesting things in this box. So let's go ahead and check this out. And by the way, if you're new to this subscription box, like I said, it's a $20 box and you get 35% off your first box. Here are the names. Here are the item numbers. You can go to dollarbead.com and reorder these. You put in the model numbers and you can reorder the items in this box. I feel interested. Alright, so let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, what is that? Is that a little gift thing? I think it's a little one of those cardboard things. I've seen people make these on YouTube. Yeah, they pop open. It's a little gift. Oh, there's 3 of them. That's cool. You can put like a bracelet in there. Or a necklace. But you squeeze them like this. Let me see if I can do it. Squeeze them like this and you pop these inward, right? And it closes up. I'm actually doing it wrong. Like that. Pops in. Right? Yeah, so those are cool. Okay. Probably really messing with the camera there. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Teal and like a pinkish purple, like raspberry. That's beautiful. Wow, this one looks like ceramic. Another teal. I haven't got that one yet either. Those together, epic. Look at those. Pretty. We got a mix here. Whoa, whoa, that is so big. That would be nice as a purse charm because it is just enormous. It is huge. That's really big. These are kind of interesting. It kind of looks like wood. With like a knot in the middle. Wonder what those would be like in a rosary. Oh, we got caps. I didn't see caps at all. Is that in the picture? Bead caps? No, it does not show these in the picture. And I always say there's always something in this box that I don't see in the picture. And this is what I was wondering about. I couldn't tell if they were square or barrel shaped in the picture. But they are barrel and they are pretty cool. What a unique color. I like that color a lot. They actually look like gemstone. And you know, I can't tell if these are painted. So if you look at these are definitely painted. See that white there? The bead is white and it's painted, right? But these, I cannot tell. They might not be painted. The glass might actually be this color. So, yeah, there's no, like, sign of paint clogging the hole like a glass pearl. Get what I'm saying? So those are pretty cool. I really like those. Let's dump this out. Alrighty, first one is 12mm aqua solid color glass bead 8-inch string. So 12mm, that's probably this one. It's really pretty. That's a beautiful shade. I love that color. Okay, and then we have 10mm copper glass pearl bead. These here. Those are pretty too. Very nice color combo. I like this a lot. Okay, that's 12, that's 10. Another 10mm. There's going to be 10mm beads. 3 10mm beads. Brown crackle glass bead. 8-inch string. That's pretty too. Yeah. And then turquoise red swirl marble style. Okay, that's this. This is 10mm. Yeah. 6 inches. This is beautiful. This is one of my favorite beads that I get in this box is the marble style one because there's multiple colors in it. It's very beautiful. We usually get it in short strands. Now I have realized, in case you haven't noticed, or you're new to this box, that the larger beads, like this is the 10mm, we usually get this in short strands. But when we get the 8mm and 6mm, we get longer strands, like 16-inch strands in the 6mm. Okay, so I don't know if you realize that or not, but that's what I've noticed. After that is 8mm Jasper gemstone bead. Oh, I didn't even notice this one. 7 to 8 inches. I like this a lot. We get a lot of these natural gemstone strands in this box, and they're just perfect for men's stretch bracelets. Don't you think? Very pretty. That bead there looks smaller than the rest, doesn't it? See that? It's like a little runt. But it's like 8 inches long, and what I like to do, and I've already done a few bracelets. I don't think I did tutorials on it because it's just a basic stretch bracelet, but what I like to do is go through my metal beads and look for oddball beads and that have large holes, and I will use that to hide my elastic cord knot under the metal bead. That's what I do. But yeah, I like those for men's bracelets, and I have actually kept some for myself because they're so cool. Okay, after that, 8 by 6mm khaki rondelle gemstone style glass bead. 7.5. So that is this one. It's running away over here. I really like that bead. So I hope we will be getting a lot more of these in the future because it is really cool, and it does look like it's not painted to me. So I like that because the color will be permanent. I really like that. Very nice color combos. Very classy. Okay. Next is 8mm apple green copper drizzle glass bead. This one? Green copper. Did I say green copper? I think this is the first drizzle glass bead that I've ever got was like an apple green one. This one actually has like yellowish color in it. It's like gold, golden yellow. Yeah, it's like a golden yellow color. Okay. And then approximate 1 ounce antique designer glass bead mix, and this is a new item, so that's gonna be this here, and my tray is not here right now. I think I was using it last night, so it's probably in one of my my bead trays. I got this one here. Oh my gosh, lots of cool beads. Did I drop one? No, I swear I did. We have the saucer-like bicone, or squashed bicone. And dude, that is opal green or milky green. That's beautiful. Love that. We got bronze rondelles, not rondelles, bicones. Good grief. Oh, it comes in brown too. The peanut beads. Those are cute. These little, it's like a lentil, but it's not check glass. They're actually thicker than the lentils, so like this is a ring that I just did a tutorial on, and those are lentils. You see how thin those are? They're very thin. And yeah, you guys, if you didn't see this tutorial, you can go and watch this tutorial. I also did earrings with this flower. I'll put a picture up so you can see the name of the design, and you just go to my YouTube channel, go to my videos, and you will see it. You can also go to playlists, go to rings, and I think I have like 80 something ring tutorials, in case you didn't know. I have a lot. Okay, chances are you probably have not seen them all already. So that's a nice mix. Okay, and then 8 by 6mm gold metal rectangle spacer bead. Oh, these? Doesn't tell us what the pattern is. We're just left guessing, trying to figure out what it could possibly be. My guess is it's wood with a knot in the middle. That's as good as I could come up with. What does it look like to you? Maybe some kind of food? Maybe sushi? They're very heavy. They're solid. They're not hollow. Very heavy. Unusual pattern though. Okay, after that, 6mm gold metal bead cap, approximate 30 caps. These are nice. I don't have these in my stash. Oh, they're really cute. Oh, I got an oddball one. See him right there? A little flower. It's just plain on the other side. I wonder if that's an extra bead. Like, did I get 31? Or is he counted in on the 30 beads? Those are very precious. I love the size. So I could use these with like 6mm beads because they're pretty tiny. I don't usually see them that small. Yeah. I have larger bead caps in my stash. After that, ready for this? 66mm heart patina metal pendant. Whoa. Huge. Oh, then it goes on to say 90 by 70mm pillow gift box. 3 boxes. Okay, so this has a bail on it. Yeah, see the bail? But the bail's easy to take off. Yeah, it should be easy to take off. I probably use my pliers to do it, but yeah, it should just slide off there with the pliers. But that would look so cool in a purse. Oh, I really like that for a purse. Very cute. It's heavy. Alrighty, so that is everything on the list. We just have this here. Oh, I got a broken bead. It's just one side, but this is going to tell me, this is telling me, this broken bead, that it's not painted. I was right. This color, the glass, is through the entire bead. So I got my answer. It's not painted. It's a very unique color. Alrighty, so this is the little kit that comes in every box, in case you're new to this. There is bead stringing wire, there's head pins, and they're thick gauge head pins. They're actually very nice quality head pins. We got jump rings. I also use these as spacer beads. Don't tell anybody. Shh, it's a secret. Okay, I've told everybody about this. This is ear wires, crypt beads, lobster claw clasp, elastic cord, and memory wire. And I don't know if you saw or not, but I did do a tutorial on the memory wire earrings that I always talk about when I do this box. And if you did not see that video, I'll put a picture up for it. I also did another recent video, memory wire bracelets. So I'll put up a picture for that if you guys are interested. Alright, so this is everything we are getting in this kit. Remember, I will link the Curated Bead box. I will link it down there below in the description bar, along with the coupon code to get 35% off your first box. And that is $7 off the $20 box. So it's a pretty good deal. So this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me in my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.